Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to get this very simple fall makeup look. So if you want to see how I created this makeup look, stay tuned. My eyebrows are already done, and if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, I'm going to link up above to where you can find that video. So I'm going to go ahead and start with an eyeshadow base, of course, and I'm using the NYX eyeshadow base, and this is not the best eyeshadow base at all that I'm using. The best eyeshadow base that I've used is the Urban Decay eyeshadow base, and I ran out some time ago. And sometimes you mean to buy something, but then you look how much it is and you're just like, let me see if I can find something a little cheaper. And so that's the reason why I've been kind of like eyeshadow base hopping from one thing to the next. And I haven't really found an eyeshadow base that is as good as the Urban Decay, so I might just have to break down and purchase that because this one right here is really awful. It creases like crazy. And then I'm going to go in with the banana powder. This is by Revolution, and I'm just going to place this on top just using a fluffy brush, and this kind of keeps the crease down a little bit, but yeah, it still creases. It still creases, you all, and it is very annoying. But anyway, this at least keeps it for a little while before it starts to crease. So just going to tap that on there, and that is it for preparing my eyes. Now the eye palette that I'm going to be using today is this eye palette by Revolution. It is Kiss, and here is the cover of it. It is broken. I have had this thing for a long time, and I have dropped it and it's broke. So yeah, I'm still using it. The eyeshadows are intact. The only thing that is not intact is they had highlighter colors here. You probably can't see that the light is like blinding right now. But anyhow, but this one right here broke, so it's completely gone. But I still do have another highlighter color. But anyways, I'm going to start with this kind of a goldish color, a light. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, like for real. Okay, let's try that again. I'm going to start with this color. It is Gryffindor is what this is, this color right here, and I'm going in with a fluffy brush. My goodness. And I'm just going to just place that all over my lid. This is just sort of like a base color, transition color, however kind of color you want to say for this. I always apply the color to my lid. I am not an eyeshadow guru or makeup guru. I try to be as simple as I can because number one, I don't have time to do my eyes in the morning. So I am rushing to get to work. And number two is that I just am not an expert on the whole eyeshadow thing. And honestly, I don't really want to be. I just want to be able to wear some basic eyeshadow colors. So yeah, that's the kind of looks that I'm sharing on my channel. Very simple, 2 to 3 colors at the most. Yeah, quick and in a hurry. All right, so that is that. And now I'm going to go in with this other color. It's called October, and I'm covering my face. And I'm going to use this lid brush, and I know that's probably not the best brush to use. I'm actually going to buy me some brushes because I do want to like do some different types of eyeshadow looks, and I realize I do need a detail brush and I don't have any. But anyway, I'm going to add this color to my crease. And I've noticed, of course, when you want to do different looks and you don't have the right brushes to do them, Of course, the eyeshadow look is not going to come out looking like what you expect it to do, expect it to look like. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and buy me some brushes and really start to experiment with some different looks and things like that to share on my channel. All right, so anyways, it's a very orangish color, which is probably why it's called October, because it is very orangey. And then I'm just going to take a blending brush, all right, and I'm just going to blend that, get that harsh line out of there, get that really into my crease area. And it's okay that I've taken some of it away. That is perfectly fine. And then the last color I'm going to add, yes, I said the last color, is this brown. It's called Vampire. It looks like sort of like a burgundy brown. But anyway, and I'm just going to take a very small lid brush and I'm going to apply that to my lid. And I'm going to be patting this on because I want that color to really be seen. And I'm making sure that that color goes right up to my crease, because if it doesn't, it looks weird once I blend it out. I don't have like a hooded eye, but I have enough for it to be some eyeshadow looks to just look weird on my eye. So I am in the process of trying to really figure out that whole thing. So yeah. And now I'm just going to go back with that brush, that blending brush, and I'm going to blend that in because otherwise it looks silly. And that is it. Yes, I said that is it. I'm not adding any eyeliner to this or anything like that because I don't want to mess up that color, and it will definitely mess it up if I add a eyeliner to that. And now I'm just going to go in with my little mascara. This is the Voluminous Millions Lash. I think this is a Maybelline or L'Oreal. I'm not for sure. And I'm going to go like this first and then get underneath there. And then of course, I forgot to add a step, you all. Totally forgot to add this step. I'm gonna take that same brown and I'm gonna add it down below. Forgot that. All right, so now I'm going back in and getting my lower lashes. And then right in the corner of my eye, I'm going to add this rose gold. It's called rose gold, and I'm going to place that in the corner of my eye. Just like, you got to really like get a lot, otherwise you can't really see it, but there it goes. All right, so the eyes are done. I'm just trying to look to see what's going on around these parts. There we go. That was not blending in right. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead with my face, and I'm going to go ahead and add my Rose Glow by Revlon. I'm really loving this primer for my face, and it's cheap, so that's always good. So I'm gonna add that all over my face. And then next I'm gonna go in with my face brush, and I'm going to go ahead and add my Tarte Hydro Flex Tarte C, and I'm going to place that on the brush. Just give me some little dots there. And then I'm going to go in with my Mary Kay foundation matte, and I'm going to place that on there. It just gives a great perfect color. And then I'm going to go ahead and just kind of tap that in. Now I've been using a brush, and I actually like my hands better because I think it actually like blends this color in, because it still seems like it's just a tad bit off if I don't like use my fingers. But I'm going to use a brush today, so I'm just going to and usually I don't even like put this all over my face anymore, because I'm an educator, which I've said before, and we are wearing masks, and so there's really no point of kind of like doing all these extra steps, because it's going to get all on my mask. So usually I do apply it with my fingers, but I don't like get too far down in this area right here where the mask is going to be, because nobody's going to see that, and it gets the mask dirty, which I absolutely hate. Even though you know it's going to get dirty anyway, I just hate seeing that. I hate seeing makeup on my mask. It's annoying. So I don't really put a lot on when I'm going to work. So yeah, I'm just really blending this in, you all, because if I don't, the color looks off. There it goes. It's looking better now. Next, I'm going in with my MAC powder, and I got my brush here, and I'm just going to apply that all over my face. I do not do any contouring or highlighter and all that stuff. I'm just not into all that, and I just don't do it. Yeah, once you get to a certain age, it's just like I can do what I want to do. Like, I don't have to follow what everybody else is doing. If I don't want to do it, I just don't do it. So yeah, I don't do all that. But of course, if you want to add contour, highlight at this point, then of course you would do that before you apply this, apply the powder. And then of course on to the blush, and I'm going to be using the bronzer. This is by African Erde. I don't know if I'm saying that right. And then I also have this, if I can get it out from underneath all this mess. This is a baked blush artisan color, and I'm trying to see who made it. As you can see, the top is gone. So yeah, so I'm going to add this first, and it is a very nice coppery type of brown color, and it is perfect for fall, of course. And now I'm going to go in with that bronzer. Now bronzer can be used by itself as well. So I mean, there's a lot of different uses for bronzers. I usually use it on top of the blush just to give it a little sparkle. And yeah, I think I got too much on my nose there. There we go. And then of course, last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and spray, and I am using the Maybelline Lasting Fix. And then I'm going to top that off with my MAC primer, a fix and spray. Oops. I've been using both of these because when I use them both, especially when I have my mask on, it does sort of like, doesn't make it too much, whatever, or doesn't get my mask all dirty or whatever. So I've been using both of those sprays together and they've been working pretty well. And now I'm going to go ahead and add my lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to be putting on today is 2 lipsticks. I have this MAC that I had in my makeup haul. I'm gonna be putting that on in the Juvia's Place. This is Chic. This is Bated Breath. And I'm going to start with the MAC first. I've not used this lipstick yet because, well, with the mask wearing, I mean, why put on lipstick? It's just, yeah. I mean, I don't know. I don't know why I would put on lipstick. I don't need it. But anyway. And then I'm just gonna place this in the inner of that lip. Yeah, I wasn't feeling it. It was a little bit too pink. So I end up grabbing this luxury opal lipstick, and I don't know who this is from. I guess Black Opal. I guess that's who it's from. It was a little bit too pink for me. Wasn't really going for the pink look today. I was really trying to go for some browns and oranges, and the pink was a little, no. Okay guys, I mean, I'm just like really trying to get it like get it the way I want it. As you can tell on this channel, there's nothing about no perfection going up in here. This is what is going on. You know, hey, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? So this is a finished look and perfect for a fall, very simple. And of course, the colors you can find in any type of palette that you want, as long as you have sort of like the similar colors. And of course, you could build these colors up to make even different types of eyeshadow looks. So yeah. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you all in the next video. Bye.